The 2015 GS. Looking to create the ultimate sports sedan in both price and performance? Lexus came up with a truly exceptional car. This is one model that can hang with the best Europe has to offer. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.